Good morning, America and Facebook world. Corporal Rue here from Advice from an Officer. Just going to take a few minutes this morning and give you a little bit of advice and some tips I have if you are involved in a traffic accident. I frequently get asked questions about what someone should do if they've been involved in an accident, how to know when to contact the police department, or just exchange information on scene. Throughout my career, I've always told individuals who ask me this, it's always best to contact the police department and at least let us come to the accident scene and record it and document it for you and put it on file. The reason for this is when we show up to an accident scene, we can take photographs of the actual vehicles involved, the damage involved, and get all the information and have it on file. This will come back and save you, save the insurance company, and all others involved if you need the information later on. Just because we come out doesn't mean that you need to automatically go through insurance claims to have damage fixed. It's more of a safety procedure to have it on file. There's been times in the past where people have been involved in an accident and the police are not called, and so the individuals, they share their information with each other and just take care of it with each other. Once two people do that, that's considered basically a civil contract, which basically takes the police department out of it. A lot of times I've seen that someone's given false information, they really don't have insurance, whatever it might be, and then that leaves one individual in their vehicle in shambles, not knowing how they're going to take care of this, what's going on, etc., etc. That's why I always tell people, just contact the police department. We'll come take the photographs. We'll document everything that happened. And that way, someone can't come back and tell their insurance company, well, this damage was also done by this vehicle. This damage, blah, blah, blah. When in fact it was not. And we've got documentation of that now. If it's not documented, that can be hard to prove at times, especially for insurance companies, and then they contact you and your insurance company and it just turns into a big mess. So just because we come out, like I said, does not mean that we're going to come out throwing tickets and citations at people. We're not taking people to jail for a traffic accident. Now, there are traffic accidents when they get to a certain point as far as extensive damage, then we have to come out, we have to file paperwork for the state and whatnot, and that's okay. That's what we do. But I do tell people, even on the minor traffic accidents, little scrapes, dents, things like that, at least get it documented with the police department, just so it's on record and someone can't come back and say you did something more than you actually did, or vice versa. Another quick tip, if you are in a private parking lot, say like a Walmart or a restaurant, whatever it might be, and you get in a traffic accident, do not leave the traffic scene. I know a lot of people get nervous because they don't want to get a ticket, whatever it is. If you get in an accident inside of a private parking lot, we cannot give you a ticket for that accident unless obviously there's DUI driver or other criminal offenses. But if it's just merely a traffic accident, we cannot give tickets out. We'll just simply fill out the report, give you a case number, and send you on your way. If you leave the parking lot, however, then you're going to be getting tickets for leaving the scene of an accident. So stay in the parking lot, stay at the accident scene, private parking lot, or anywhere else. Once you leave a traffic accident scene, you will be charged with leaving the scene of an accident. So just stay there, wait till we get there, and we can help you with the case number, photos, and whatever else you need at that time. So anyway, I hope this is beneficial. Let me know if you have any other questions or comments. Message me, however you want to do it. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and let's do this together. See you later.